It runs along roads. It is found under the ladle where the sparks are flying. It carries heavy prefabricated members to the bridges, tunnels, and shipbuilding sites. It witnesses Shenzhou spacecraft flying to the sky, by which Chinese dream of flying into space comes true. This is Qingdao Group, the top 3 in the domestic axle industry. This is Qingdao YUEK Axle, the most comprehensive and professional axle supplier in China. Qingdao Group, founded in Qingdao, China in 1958, is a multi-regional, multi-industry and compositive enterprise group. Qingdao has 6 vehicle axle production bases in Qingdao, Weifang, Beijing, Chengdu, and Changsha, as well as 26 subsidiaries. Now it has become the important production base and export base of special vehicle and auto parts in China. As one of the 3 mainstays in Qingdao Group, YUEK Axle was founded jointly by Qingdao Group and YUEK, one of the 3 largest trailer axle brands in the world, in 1993. As the first large company that introduces advanced production technologies from abroad to China, it is specialized in production and distribution of semi-trailer axles and other related auto parts. Qingdao YUEK Axle has 6 series of products and 13 types of product platforms. Their product line covers axles in multi-models and specifications such as 8 to 20-ton one-piece trailer axle, 3 to 25-ton welded type trailer axle, 8 to 13-ton pneumatic suspension, 20 to 100-ton rigid suspension, 10 to 52-ton short axle, etc. It is renowned as the most comprehensive and professional vehicle axle supplier in China. Qingdao YUEK has the capability to produce 100,000 trailer axles per year, among which 70% are exported to America, Southeast Asia, Africa, Middle East and Russia, etc. Apart from meeting the demand of overseas customers, it also pays more attention to the development and research of domestic market. It takes a lead to launch a series of trailer axle products which satisfy the domestic work conditions, including Tri-Line's 6 axles suspension assembly, large tank road truck axles, German-style short axle, air suspension, oil lubricating, and 1-unit hub bearing trailer axle, etc. It plays a leading role in technical development, concave beam-type trailer suspension steering in China. Qingdao YUEK engages in providing high-quality products, top-class services, and optimized product systems for the customers and makes unremitting efforts every day to move towards the goal. It introduces the most advanced production equipment and technology and equipment from overseas to achieve full-scale automatic and information-based process, including production, machining, assembly, inspection, and logistics. The castings such as hub, brake drum, etc. are manufactured by the most advanced automatic static pressure molding line from Qingdao, Germany, through optimization and analysis of structure in early stage and process simulation. For the tube, the simulation, optimization, and analysis is conducted with Superforge software during the tube forming process, and the tube surface is subject to 100% NDT with non-destructive magnetic particle flaw detector so as to remove the defect on the surface, which otherwise has impact on the surface life of the tube, and to ensure every piece of product can be delivered without any flaw. We have earnestly supervised all the steps throughout the whole process for seeking perfection and manufacture the products strictly in accordance with the international standard production systems. We are the first company in this industry to get the ISO TS 16949 system certification. Depending on the powerful R&D scientific research team composed of more than 500 persons, National Certified Enterprise Technology Center, National Certified Center Laboratory, and Postdoctoral Program Workstation, Qingdao YUEK always takes a lead in research, development, production, and inspection technologies in this industry, which lay a solid technical foundation for the goal of elaborate manufacture and commitment to excellence. Qingdao YUEK Axle integrates the industry-leading technologies from Europe and America and pays much attention to the actual demand of the customers in China with respect of the design and material of the components. The one-piece axle is of integrated design. The tube is made of high-quality alloy steel. The brake drum is furnished with radiation rib. In this way, the trailer axle makes 5 breakthroughs in the performance. YUEK axle is comprehensively upgraded in quality thanks to greater resistance against bending, large bearing capacity, longer service life, better radiation effect, and stronger braking capability. Qingdao YUEK makes the warranty policy, which is the best in this industry. It commits extension of warranty period by 25%. Allowing the value-added warranty service for 15 months or running distance of 180,000 km. With this extensive warranty service, you have nothing to worry about. The 24 service hotline 400-6268-999 is available day and night, wholeheartedly and reliably for your service. As a leading enterprise in trailer axle market, Qingdao YUEK provides you reliable, high-efficient, and well-performed solutions from which you and your customers will benefit a lot. Qingdao YUEK, the most comprehensive and professional axle supplier in China.